You've probably heard the buzz about cashback apps. You know, those magical tools that turn your spending into sweet, cold hard cash. And if you're like most people, you're probably wondering, can I really make a killing with these things? Today, we're diving deep into one of the popular players in the cashback game, FavePay. But we're not stopping at the surface. We're going to uncover the golden question: what's the real deal with the FavePay cashback limit? Let's face it, cashback sounds like a dream come true. Spend money, get money back? Sign me up. But before you start planning your early retirement on cashback alone, let's get real. There's always a catch, right? So, let's cut through the fluff and figure out just how much you can actually make with FavePay. First off, what exactly is FavePay? It's essentially a digital wallet that lets you pay for stuff at your favorite stores and restaurants. But the kicker? You earn cashback on every purchase. Sounds fantastic, doesn't it? But here's the burning question: how much cashback can you actually accumulate? Is there a ceiling? A dreaded limit that will crush your cashback dreams? Let's break it down. FavePay, like many other cashback platforms, has implemented a cashback limit. It's there to protect the company, sure, but it also impacts your earning potential. So, how much can you realistically expect to earn? Well, the exact amount can vary depending on a few factors. For starters, the cashback percentage you earn differs from merchant to merchant. Some places are more generous than others. Additionally, FavePay often runs promotions and campaigns that can boost your cashback earnings temporarily. So, keep an eye out for those opportunities to maximize your returns. But let's be clear, even with these promotions, there's still an overall cap on your cashback earnings. Now, you might be wondering, why even bother if there's a limit? Fair question. While you might not become a millionaire from FavePay cashback alone, it doesn't mean it's not worth it. Think of it as extra pocket money. Every little bit counts, right? Plus, FavePay offers other perks beyond cashback, like exclusive deals and discounts. So, while the FavePay cashback limit might not be as lucrative as you hoped, it doesn't mean you should completely write it off. Use it wisely, take advantage of promotions, and enjoy the extra savings it provides. But remember, cashback isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a tool to help you save money on your everyday spending. Don't let the pursuit of maximum cashback consume your life. Enjoy the little wins, and focus on building a solid financial plan. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.